Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how AI is replacing the real estate agencies and real estate agents. So let's talk about the new Wavy AI, which is absolutely amazing and absolutely shocking, which is going to replace real estate agents. As we all know, the traditional AI, the traditional real estate agents, they take commission between 1 to 3.6% of the selling property. If you sell the property in Australia for, let's say, $1 million, they'll take between 1 to 3.6% commission, which is absolutely huge amount of money. But with Wavy AI, as you can see here on the website wavy.com, you have to pay 0% commission and $0 upfront fees. So this is something next level, and this is very smart kind of stuff. So on the website uh, it says like our simple 3-step process to to selling your property. You have to list the property, you like we will get it to work, and then sell without any fees. So this is amazing. AI is almost replacing every single small things as much as possible in this world, so we have to be updated with the market, with the technology, as everyone is seeing, like the jobs, the small jobs and the small tasks are being taken over AI. So this world is crazy, I'm telling you. So this is something new, and this is modern technology, and we have to think about it. And always, I would say, like, always invest in anything which you like, and always start a side hustle, because you cannot rely on one job. The traditional things are going to be replaced with the new technologies. So this Wavy AI will actually, hope, I'm not sure, like, let's say, like, in the future this will take the real estate market. So as you can see, they are attracting customers with 0% commission. So if you want to sell your property, you can literally save thousands of dollars by giving to traditional real estate agents. So this is something next level. So this is all about Wavy AI, and it's a replacement of real estate agencies basically. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much.